Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to sign into OneDrive. Let's have a look now. To sign into OneDrive, open your web browser and go to the OneDrive official website. Click on Sign In. Sign into your Microsoft account. After entering your credentials, click on Sign In. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.